when the sun wants to come out so that you can take a selfie. Oh, look at that highlight. Oh, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I will show you exactly how I achieved this cute space buns look with this entire makeup look. Make sure that you stay tuned and keep watching. So as you already know, if you watch any of my makeup looks, I always start with my eyebrows and it's very simple. I brush them up, fill them in, and brush them continuously just to blend that out. Now, this time around, I did my eyebrows a little dark, but I made it work just by continuing to brush it up. I am using the e.l.f. Precision brush, I think that's what it's called. The e.l.f. Ultra Precision eyebrow pencil in neutral brown. I'll definitely leave the information for all of the products that I'm using down below, so make sure to check it out. Moving forward, I'm using the NYX HD Concealer in HW01 to prime my lids for some eyeshadow. Now I am going in with the fluffy blending brush and using the shade Pancake to add that to my crease. And as you can see, it's looking nicer now. And now I'm going in with the shade Spice to just add that to my outer corner and extending that to my crease. So now I'm going in with the shade Brick and adding that to my inner corner of my lid. Now what I should have done is add more concealer before adding the color, because as you can see, it's definitely not as bright. And I am going in with the shade Cacao, which is like a deep brown, just to deepen up and add some dimension to my lids. I love this color Sunset. It's very beautiful, and I'm just adding that to the middle of my lid. This is the look. To finish it off, I am adding Angel to the inner corner of my tear ducts just to give it that pop. The only unfortunate thing is that you really can't see I have two shades here, but like I said, I should have just added more concealer before adding the shade. So I didn't know which two colors I wanted to go with, but I tried to mix it and just, this looks crazy. So I'm taking this off and moving forward. This is day 3 hair. I've kept my hair in my bonnet just because I haven't been doing anything, haven't been going anywhere, and I really didn't want this colorful high puff that I have going on to just stain everything. As you guys saw, it really stained my bonnet. So with my bonnet, I just threw it in the washer one time and the color came out really easy. So definitely don't stress if the color transfers on to your clothes or your face or anything like that. The color comes out. This is the final hairstyle. The curls are not awake. I'm trying to wake them up now. The pros is that it's colorful and it's different. The cons is that you get it all over. So I'm not surprised at all. I just have to figure out what kind of lip I want to do. Okay, so I am back. I decided to just go with the color Unveil, which is a nice brown color. I added some yellow to my under eyes to complete this look. And I honestly think that it came together really nicely. I have like the brown going. You can't really see the orange in my inner corner, but that's my mistake. I should have not dabbed up the concealer the first time and just left that as is, or added more concealer before I applied the orange on there. But you learn something new every single time. With that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love my space buns. I think it came out really cute. And I try to fix up my baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Trying to do something different. Something kind of intergalactic, you know, just out there a little bit, which is what I love. So, tell me what you think about this finished look. Make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you're notified as soon as I upload a new video, which is not only on Wednesdays and on Sundays, but I usually like to throw it in here and there during the week. So what more can I say? Oh yes, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. That's about it. So again, peace and love, positive vibes, and I will catch you next time.